Hello everyone, I am Prabhasan from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, studying first sem in CSC Data Science, subject Mathematics. Exploring the radius of curvature, an introduction to its engineering mathematics, concepts, various coordinate systems, applications and conclusion. Introduction. Welcome to the Exploring the Radius of Curvature presentation, where we will delve into the engineering mathematics concepts, various coordinate systems, applications, and conclusion of this fundamental geometric property. Fundamentals of curvature. Understanding the radius of curvature is essential in engineering. It measures the curvature of a curve at a point and is pivotal in various applications such as design, analysis, and optimization of structures and systems. Curvature is a fundamental concept in mathematics that describes the amount by which a curve or surface deviates from being a straight line or a flat plane. It plays a crucial role in various branches of mathematics and has application in engineering, physics, and computer science. Mathematical concepts involving differential geometry and calculus. The radius of curvature is calculated using mathematical formulas that provide insights into the behavior of curves in different coordinate systems, making it a crucial tool for engineers. Mathematics plays a crucial role in computer science, providing the theoretical foundation for various algorithms, data structures, and computational methods. Coordinate systems in the radius of curvature. The radius of curvature can be analyzed in various coordinate systems, including Cartesian form, polar form, and parametric form and pedal form, allowing engineers to apply it effectively in different contexts and dimensions. The concept of radius of curvature is often discussed in the text of differential geometry, where curves and surfaces are studied. To understand the radius of curvature, we need to delve into the theory of curves in different coordinate systems. Application in engineering. The radius of curvature finds intensive application in fields such as mechanical, civil engineering, and aerospace engineering, aiding in the design of efficient structures, analysis of motion, and optimization of trajectories. Understanding the radius of curvature is valuable tool for engineers in various fields, helping them design structures, components, and systems that meet safety, efficiency, and performance criteria. In optics, particularly in the design of lenses and mirrors, the radius of curvature is a crucial parameter. Radius of curvature in 3D spaces. Extending beyond 2D, the concept of radius of curvature in 3D space is crucial for understanding the behavior of surfaces and spatial curves, enabling engineers to model complex geometries and analyze intricate shapes. In 3D dimensional space, the curvature of curve describes how sharply the curve bends at each point. The curvature is a measure of how quickly the direction of the tangent to the curve changes. There are different types of curvature in 3D spaces, including scalar curvature, vector curvature, and principal curvatures. We will be learning real-world examples of radius of curvature. Real-world example of the radius of curvature in action, from architectural marvels to aerospace innovations, demonstrate its profound effect on the design, performance, and safety of engineering structures and systems. Applying the radius of curvature in these real-world engineering scenarios is essential for creating designs that meet safety, performance, and efficiency criteria. It showcases the interdisciplinary nature of engineering in mathematics in solving practical problems. We will be learning about future research and innovation of radius of curvature. Continued research and innovations in the field of radius of curvature are poised to unlock new frontiers in engineering, from enhancing design methodologies to advancing computational algorithms for analyzing complex geometries. The the actual future developments will depend on the collective efforts of the researchers and the evolving needs of various scientific disciplines. Advancing in computational tools, interdisciplinary collaborations, and the integration of mathematical concepts into practical applications are likely drive future innovations in the study of curvature. Advanced analysis techniques of radius of curvature. Advanced analysis techniques such as curvature mapping and curvature based feature extraction leverage the radius of curvature to extract valuable insights from complex geometries, enhancing the understanding and optimization of engineering drawings or designs. Advanced analytics in the text of curvature opens up new possibilities for data-driven decision making, optimization, and innovation in various engineering and in design domains. We will know the challenges and limitations of radius of curvature. While the radius of curvature is a powerful tool, it also poses challenges in complex and geometries and non-smooth surfaces, necessitating advanced computational methods and innovative approaches to address its limitations. Conclusion for radius of curvature in engineering mathematics. In conclusion, the radius of curvature serves as a fundamental concept in engineering mathematics, offering valuable insights, applications, and challenges that continue to drive in innovation and advancements in various engineering disciplines. I think this video is helpful and thanks for watching.